Hello, today we're going to teach you how to tie a double Windsor knot. Step 1, you're going to want to position your tie so that one side is longer than the other. A good rule of thumb is placing your smaller side about 3 buttons down. Step 2, fold the long side over to make this X shape. Step 3, you're going to pull the long side under and through. Then, step 4, you're going to want to take your long side and weave it behind that smaller side. Now, go back through the top, and this is where you can start to see the V shape of your knot really take form. Then, step 6, you're going to want to place that long side over that V shape and go back again through the top. Step 7, put that long side back where you just came from, and your knot's done. Adjust, and you're ready to go. Fold down your collar, and there you have it. You just learned how to tie the classic double Windsor knot.